Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you created a new partition on your computer only to realize later that you don't need it anymore? Maybe you just want to free up that space and turn it back into unallocated storage. In this video, I will show you the easiest way and the best tool for removing a partition drive on a Windows 11 computer. Let's go. Now, I know disk partitions can be a bit intimidating, especially if you're not tech savvy. But don't worry, I have explored several disk partition management tools and found one with an extremely simple, user-friendly interface that anyone can navigate. It offers a wide range of features, including recovering data, migrating the operating system to another drive, and most importantly, managing computer partitions, such as deleting drives. Do you want to try it out? You can click my link in the description below to directly download the installer and get a special welcome bonus as a first-time user. Once you have installed the software, select the target partition you want to remove from the main interface. Right-click on it and choose Delete from the context menu. Then simply tap Yes and the Apply buttons, respectively, to confirm the deletion. Just like that, the unnecessary partition is now gone, leaving you with more unallocated space on your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.